Okay. This thing's huge. Actually, that helps probably. Dude, look at how big this thing is. This is insane. Oh my gosh. Does so much damage. No. Thing does so much damage. Okay, those only do one. It's actually not that bad. Come on now. We gotta beat this thing and get the slime out. I need it. I need it in my life. Ugh. Dude, it gets dramatically smaller as you beat it. You start damaging it. Oh gosh. Oh yeah, it's like down to normal size now pretty much. Oh, there it goes. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, this File Thorn shreds. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Holy moly. Yeah, just yeah, don't get too cocky, no, because this thing does tons. Oh my gosh, I'm dead, I'm dead. Okay, okay. We can do this. We can do this. I think with it being bigger, it's actually easier, really. Yeah. I think it's easier when it's bigger. It's got a bigger hitbox. Alright, well that was the King Slime and for the worthy. See what we get? Did we not get them out? Oh my gosh.